Looks good. Looks good. See as it's starting to dry up. It's hard to see when it's wet, but you can see as it's starting to dry. You guys can see. Get down there and actually show you. She's pretty clean. She is pretty clean. And this was actually a mechanic shop. So every one of these are all bays. So everything you're looking at here are bays, okay? So that's why you have these things in the ground, like right here. These 4 bolts, they're everywhere. That's where the lifts were at. So these were all bays, and let me move down here. She's going to rinse, so I'm not going to hear. So we hit this with EBC at 5 to 1 with cold water. We had an issue with our hot water machine this morning. So you can see the hot water machine is not fired up. Matter of fact, you can see the fuel tank's gone. We had to take it out. We had some kind of issue. So we didn't really have time to get in and try to fix it this morning. See, the fuel tank is gone. So if it was going to be an issue, we would have fixed it. We could have just pushed this back a couple hours and fixed it, but it's not an issue. It's cleaning beautifully. And the client just came over and inspected it, and they are extremely happy with the results they're getting here. So let me take you back down here again so you guys can kind of see the contrast of it. All right, that's cold water. As you can see when you start, you're going to see there's no steam. You're going to see there's no steam going on here. This is cold water. As you can see, just cleaned up beautifully. So we're using EBC 5 to 1. I got my little spray bucket here I'm using. Makes it easy on this type of job. My little Ryobi. Yep, Ryobi, fellas. And we just spray that down. Let it dwell. Bada bing, bada bang, hit it. And, oh, sorry about that. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Extremely happy. And this client was really impressed. So that's what really counts, you know, satisfying our clients. And we're going to wash these walls down